Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can customize watermark on your photos in Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus. So in the first step we have to open the camera app, then tap on this little gear icon to open the settings, then tap on the watermark. Now as you can see we have a few options to edit. We can change the model name, turn on the date, there we have a preview, and the time. If you need, you can also change your font style and the position of your watermark. If you want to add your own text here, just do it in this place and click on save to save to save it, of course. Okay, now go with the camera, take your photo, and now the customized watermark should appear in the right bottom corner. And this is how it works. Thanks for the watching, give us a like or a comment, and goodbye.